Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello YouTube World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up ChatGPT in our browsing sites. So now we will go to the Google Chrome. So we will press the Open AI. Now we will go to the Open AI official website. Now here the try ChatGPT. Now if we have the accounts and then log in, then if we haven't, then directly sign up. Now continue with the Google. That means whatever we have the Gmail account. So here I will log in or sign up in this account. It is going on. So by default it has given the name, the first mail address, and I will give the birthday date 71994. Agree. See, it is open. Okay, let's go. Now we will check define open AI. Press. Now it will work automatically. What is the feature? What are the features in ChatGPT? Here I have given to know that the define open AI means what. Here the explanation in this. So hopefully this side, that means the ChatGPT will help you so much to know each and every things in around this world. So thank you so much. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much. Please subscribe this channel.